Hi guys, how you all doing? Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's still your favorite person, Cindy CJ. And if you are just seeing this beautiful face for the first time, you're welcome. Consider subscribing to this channel, okay? And once you're subscribed, do well to turn on the post notifications so that you're notified whenever I upload a new video, okay? So guys, I have something I want to show you guys. Let me just show you guys. So in this bag is something beautiful and that I can't wait. I can't wait to show you guys. So I got these beautiful glasses from Firmoo. Can you guys see? Firmoo, you define your look. You define your look. So I got 3. 1, 2, and 3. So I got these beautiful glasses from Firmoo. Yeah. So Firmoo, they are into glasses, sunglasses, so anything glasses at all. Be sure to head to Firmoo to order your glasses. You guys, let's open these glasses so that I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. So it comes in this beautiful packaging. Can you guys see? Firmoo. So you can use this as a cleaning cloth as well as a pouch. Yeah. So let's oh my goodness, can you guys see this white glasses? It's already matching with my Wales white top. So can you guys see? Oh, this is so beautiful, and it has Firmoo written here. I don't know if you guys can see. Can you guys see? So these glasses is beautiful. They have unique styles, and if I let me wear it, I'll show you guys what I mean. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, can you guys see how these glasses took my look from basic to body? See, in fact, I'll wear this to finish the rest of this video. So Firmoo has beautiful glasses that provides clear vision. You guys, this is amazing. See, check my description on how to order this product. So to order this product, use my code right on the screen. My code will also be in my description. Use this code to shop these Firmoo beautiful glasses and you will get 50% off the frames. Yeah, as I'm talking to you right now, start heading to my description area to start shopping these glasses. The link to shopping it will be right in my description, and my code right on the screen. Use this code you are looking at right now on the screen. The code will also be in my description. Use it to shop these beautiful glasses from Firmoo and tell me what you think. These glasses is super beautiful. It takes my look, like I said, from basic to body, and the good thing is that their glasses are very affordable. You don't need to break the bank to slay. You don't need to break the bank to look this beautiful. Firmoo got you. So start heading straight to my description for the link to shop these beautiful glasses. Okay, so let me show you guys the second one. I don't even want to take these glasses off. I don't even want to take these glasses off. This is super beautiful, right? Let me know in the comment section what do you think about these beautiful glasses. Let me know in the comments, okay? So yeah, let me show you guys the next one. Let's take this off. So let's try this one on. I love their packaging. So this here is like contact us, return policy, everything is here. See the word in a better site, ukfirmoo.co.uk. so this is like a manual, a guide on how to clean the glasses. Okay, so yeah, let's try this one on. Woohoo! Look at that! Look at that, guys! Look at that! So this is you guys, look at that. Don't play. Start heading straight to my description now. Use my code and start shopping. No dulling, no playing. Look at these sunglasses. And you guys, summer is just by the corner. Guys, summer is around the corner, yeah? So you need to start shopping these glasses now. You need to shop these glasses, their sunglasses, their glasses. Head straight to my description area now. Use my code and start shopping. This is, can you guys look at this? Can you guys see the shape? and the material is amazing. This is really quality. The quality of these glasses is top notch. Top notch. So let me know in the comment section, what do you think about these glasses? What do you think about these glasses? What do you think? What do you think? Head straight to my description and start shopping. Click the link in my description. Click it and start shopping these beautiful glasses, and remember to use my code to get 50% off frame. Okay? Okay. So let's try on the last one. I mean, the last one I got so far, because trust me, I will still get more. These glasses, I don't think I will get enough of these beautiful glasses. I mean, I don't think I'll get enough of these beautiful glasses from Firmoo. So this is the last one. Can you guys see? Woohoo! This is nice. Don't play. Oh my god, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. The quality of these glasses is 100/100 minus nothing. These glasses is everything and more. I love the quality. So let's try this on. Oh my god, you are saying, see, tell me Cindy you look beautiful in the comment section. Just tell me Cindy you look beautiful in the comment section. This is the look Firmooglasses will give you to turn your look from basic to body, from normal to classy to cheeky, if you know what I mean. Yeah, look at that look. Look at that glasses. Oh, you guys, don't play. Yeah, so be sure to shop these glasses from Firmoo, and trust me, you will be happy you did. No regrets, no, you will be glad you did. You will be happy you did. Let me know in the comment section, how many are you going to be shopping? How many? And please remember to use my code to shop these glasses. Okay, I just said let me show you guys these glasses, because you guys know in this channel, once I get something good, I plug you guys in, I carry you guys along, because how can I be looking this cheeky, this pink, this beautiful, and you guys will not know the secret? So the secret is Firmoo. Their website will be in my description, the code, the link, everything you need to know that will make it very easy for you to purchase these glasses will be right in my description. All right, so yeah, give this video a huge thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. Okay.
Look at my favorite cookie.
Just the biscuit you get, okay?
Hey guys! Hey guys, welcome to my channel.
Is it your channel? It's not your channel. It's not your channel, it's my channel.
No, I'm going to wear my back.
So guys, I successfully cancelled the subscription now. Like when I started losing this hair, I just got a notification from my bank, like debit alert, yeah. So I was like, is this amount still leaving my phone? So when I did this subscription, it was just like a trial. So I tried the first time, it was okay. I said, okay, let me just subscribe for 1 month. And since then, I thought I cancelled every 24th, yeah, today is 24th. So every 24th of each month, a certain amount is leaving, my account. I'm like, where is this? And once it leaves my account, I won't see the name of the particular transaction that was, if you know what I mean. I'll just see it as Apple, like I use iPhone, yeah. Apple, that's iPhone, with some numbers like code and then the amount. I've just been thinking, what is this thing that's been leaving my account? What is this? What is this? What is this? And then I now started searching. Like I would have finished losing this hair, but I was just like bent on finding what it is that is really taking this amount off my phone. Then I now saw it was something I did a long time, that I just used it once or twice. It was like 6 months ago, and this thing has been happening since that 6 months. And it's something I wanted to try just once and cancel. Since then, I forgot to cancel. And I've not really, it doesn't come with a name. Like, let's say once the debit alert comes, maybe I'll see something like a particular shop, let's say Aldi shopping, or someone's name, and or just something, or maybe Amazon, no name, just Apple. So that's why it was kind of hard for me to know what that was. But thankfully, I've just done it now, and I've cancelled that subscription. So yeah. Yeah. Oh my god, this is really stressed me these few minutes. I was like, what's going on? What's going on? Debits? I don't want any debit alert. No, what I want is credit.
My heart rages around like an.
So I'm using two relaxer. I want to do this quickly. I'm going to pick a daisy from school. If I can be fast enough. Because I have just 20 minutes to do this. Let's see what we can do. Let's see what we can do in 20 minutes. And this is Hellos. And then I apply some cream just around so it doesn't burn. Just get here. Still have some here. This is not much here. So guys, I want to go pick a daisy from school now. I'll just get something and wrap up the hair. Then when I'm back, I'll continue. I have just 10 minutes to get to her school. Oh my god, I need to run. So I think I'll talk to you guys later, maybe when I must have washed the hair, because I want to pick a daisy now from school. When I'm back, I'll make food for them, and I might get busy. And then I wash my hair. So let's take the gloves off. So I have this stuff. Just wear it. Let's see what I'm looking like. And I also stopped in a store to buy milk from Firmoouk and some potato.
Potato, mommy.
Okay, potato.
Stop it.
What if I don't stop it? What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do?
It's so hot. The car is making me hungry.
So yeah, I'm going to comb it now. Here's a comb. I'll comb and then massage, and then I'll go wash off. Yeah, I think I'll just go wash it now.
Can we open the Play-Doh now?
What did you say?
Mommy, can I open the Play-Doh now?
You need to go and undress.
Now we can open it. Then, Mommy, we can open the Play-Doh. Yay! With scissors.
Here you undress.
Okay. Oh, Mom, let me close it up for you.
Hold your ear. Stand here. Don't you ever play with my car keys also.
Okay.
Why will you be playing with my car key and I was looking for the key? Can you imagine? You know this one was playing with it. Hey, my phone is ringing. Don't do that next time. Did you hear me? Come good. Hello? Yeah, I'm fine, and you?
I'm good, thank you. It was just a call.
You guys cannot even believe what happened. Like, I was running late from going to pick Adesi from her school. And then I wore my jacket. That's why I started looking for my car key. I was looking for it everywhere. No, I used to keep it. I didn't see it. And I asked also, please, did you see my car key? She said, yes, that she's with it. It happened to me that this girl was actually playing with my car key alongside her toys. Like, if I didn't ask her and said, let me just be looking for it, let me just be looking for it without asking her, I will look for it everywhere in this house and I will not see it. That was just me telling her not to do it again. Yeah, so I think I'll just go and wash this hair now.
Mom, what's this candy beans? Are they for me?
Mama, go and undress now. Let me see. Yes, I bought it for you.
Is it for me too?
I bought it for Ada.
Oh.
You didn't tell me you wanted it. It was the glasses I bought for you, babes.
Oh, the sparkle one.
The glasses is on top of the chest drawer in your room.
Mommy, happy Valentine's Day.
It's not Valentine's Day, babe. It's Mother's Day on Sunday.
I know, I made you a present.
Did you?
Uh-huh.
That's good. So guys, I've washed my hair and had my bath, so I want to dry it quickly. It's kind of damp, but I just want to dry it a bit more and then I'll comb it. The truth is, I don't really take care of my hair, but I don't know why. Maybe it's because I wear a lot of wigs, so I'm not particular about my hair. So once I put my, what is it called? Once I put it in a cornrow, I'm good to go. But you see my kids said, take good care. I mean, very good care of their hair. So I feel why it's like that for me is because I wear wigs. I have lots of wigs. Maybe that's why I don't pay much attention to my hair. If it's cutting, it's cutting. I'm not even interested. If it's breaking, it's breaking. I'm not even interested. Don't be like me. Take care of your hair. Don't be like me. I'll be carrying it like this now for like a month before I'll put it in a cornrow. So yeah, I can hear my kids' voice downstairs and my mom's voice. These children, they will not let Nene rest. They're just stressing the poor woman. That's why my mom will be shouting, stop it, come and sit down with me. Stop arguing. I'm sure she has missed it because there's no one at home for her to tell to stop doing this, stop doing that. So now that she's here, she done the tour. We are done now. So guys, let me go attend to my kids, get them something to eat, shower them, and then I'll rest and get ready for work much later in the night. So let me know in the comment section what do you think about my hair. It's nice, yeah? Right.